Hello and welcome to another video where we will be sharing some practical steps to help you take control of your finances and get over money problems in just one day. This video is for you if you're in debt, struggling to make ends meet, or simply want to better your financial condition. Our proven recommendations and guidance will undoubtedly assist you in confronting your financial issues front on. So if you're willing to give your money a much needed makeover, be sure to watch this video all the way through. Remember to give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful material like this. Let's begin. Picture a stack of invoices on your desk, each one demanding your attention and payment. How do you determine which one to start with? This is where bill prioritization comes into play, and it is a necessary ability for anybody attempting to effectively handle their finances properly. Considering your bills to be something like a swarm of wolves, each fighting for your attention and resources. Some expenses, such as your mortgage or rent payment, need to be paid first, and failing to do so might have significant implications. Other costs, such as cable or gym memberships, are more like beta wolves, recommended but not necessary. To prioritize those bills, consider their importance and urgency. Begin by listing all of the expenses by due date, then examine the ramifications of not paying each one on time. Pay the alpha wolf first, and then work your way down the list. Bill prioritization could include assessing the interest rates and late fines connected with each bill. Credit card payments with high interest rates and late fees, for example, should be prioritized over those with low interest rates and no late penalties. When determining which invoices to pay, it is also vital to consider your available cash flow and budget. When feasible, it is also beneficial to automate bill payments. Set up automatic payments for monthly bills that are the same amount, such as your rent or vehicle payment. This can assist in ensuring that these invoices are paid on time without needing your continual attention. Remember that bill prioritizing is not about being flawless. It's about making intelligent decisions while controlling your resources. Second is creditor negotiations. Debt might feel like a stifling weight that you cannot seem to get rid of. Creditors' continuous calls and demands might make one feel powerless and trapped. But what if I told you there's a way out? Creditor talks involve engaging with your creditors and devising a new payment plan that is acceptable to all parties. This might include decreasing interest rates, payments every month, or simply settling for a lower price. By talking with your creditors, you demonstrate that you're devoted to paying off your debt and taking responsibility for your financial situation. However, negotiating with creditors on your own might be intimidating, which is why it is critical to deal with a skilled debt negotiator. These professionals have dealt with creditors before and can assist you understand your rights, duties, and choices. They may also represent you and guarantee that you obtain the finest bargain available. It is also critical to seek out tools and assistance to assist you in navigating the issues of debt. Financial counseling, debt control programs, or support groups for individuals in similar situations could all be included. Remember that you're not alone in your financial issue, and there are several resources available to assist you in overcoming it. Never allow debt to prevent you from enjoying the life you want. Third is building a budget plan. I totally get what you're thinking. Budgeting? Isn't it boring? But believe me, this is anything but. In reality, developing a budget plan can be a creative and enjoyable activity which lets you not just take charge of your finances, but also to dream big about your financial future. First and foremost, take a moment to breathe and get some paper and a pen, or your preferred budgeting program. Begin by making a list of all your monthly earnings and spending. Be truthful to yourself and leave nothing out. That cup of coffee you get on your way to work every day should be included. What about that Netflix membership you keep meaning to cancel? It should be included. Once you've determined your income and spending, it's time to start making cuts. Determine where you can cut costs and redirect the money to achieving your financial goals. Perhaps you can lessen your eating out and make more meals at home. Or you could terminate that gym membership you never use. Budgeting, however, is more than just cutting down. It is also about planning for the future. Set some financial objectives for yourself, such as saving for a trip, paying off debt, or investing for the future. Make a strategy with clear targets and dates, and then observe as you begin to make progress towards those goals. However, do not stop there. Building a budget is only a crucial step on your path to financial independence. Make a habit of reviewing your finances on a regular basis, tracking your spending and adjusting your plan as needed. Remember that budgeting does not have to be all about self-denial and sacrifice. Make room in your budget for the things that make you happy. Perhaps it is a monthly spend on a special dinner or a membership to your favorite magazine. Find a method to include it into your budget so you never feel like you're continually starving yourself. This last bit is selling goods. Yes, you heard correctly. Selling items is the solution to your cash problems. It's time to spring clean your life while also making some additional money. What about that old outfit you've not put on in years? Offer it for sale. Those college papers that have been collecting dust? You should sell them. That Beanie Babies collection you envisioned would be worth a fortune one day? Sell them as well. Sorry to break it to you, but they're not gonna make you rich. You can quickly and simply make some additional money to help you get back on track financially by selling stuff you no longer need or use. Furthermore, you will not only be earning additional money, but you'll also be clearing up space in your house and simplifying your life. It's a no-lose situation. Selling items may be both a practical and creative answer to your money concerns. By taking stunning images, writing clever descriptions, and haggling with possible purchasers, you may transform your useless stuff into a source of revenue, while also satisfying your artistic side. In addition, selling things might be the beginning of an entirely fresh business. You could improve your entrepreneurial abilities, cultivate a loyal consumer base, and eventually expand your firm. Who knows, maybe you could become the next great thing in an online market. However, selling items involves more than just making money or beginning a new business. It is also about cultivating a positive and conscious relationship with money. You've chosen a conscious design to live a minimalist lifestyle and focus on the aspects of your life that truly matter by selling goods that no longer serve you. You're getting ready to let go of material belongings in order to embrace a more basic and meaningful way of life. Ultimately, while taking charge of your finances may appear frightening, it is critical for your financial stability and future. Bill prioritizing keeps your costs under control and guarantees that you pay your bills on time, whereas creditor discussions can help you resolve your debt without feeling imprisoned. Creating a budget plan may be a fun and creative experience that helps you take control of your finances, make necessary changes, and prepare for the future. Selling items might help you make additional money while also decluttering your area. You may make substantial progress toward financial freedom and serenity of mind by implementing these 4 money makeovers. And that's a wrap. We hope you found our professional advice and ideas useful. We believe you now have the information and resources to make good changes in your financial condition. Remember, it is never too late for you to start managing your money and planning for the future. Please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family if you enjoyed it. Also, please leave a comment below if you have any questions, ideas, or recommendations for future videos. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more helpful information like this. We thank you for sticking around and we'll see you in the next one.